Today, we're focusing on two top contenders in the mid-European winter SUV segment, the Pirelli Scorpion Winter 2, released in 2022, and the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV, which has been a strong performer since 2018. Let's jump straight into the key differences that set these two winter giants apart. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Pirelli Scorpion Winter 2 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, the Pirelli Scorpion Winter 2 pulls ahead significantly, stopping 3.8 meters shorter than the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV. However, Michelin takes the lead in wet handling, with a faster average lap speed of 83.6 km per hour versus Pirelli's 82.9 km per hour, a difference of 0.7 km per hour. Michelin also performs better in straight-line aquaplaning resistance, handling a speed of 87.3 km per hour compared to Pirelli's 85.1 km per hour, giving it a 2.2 km per hour advantage in deeper water. In snow braking, both tires perform almost identically, but the Michelin stops just 0.1 meters shorter. When it comes to snow traction, Michelin delivers 3,327 Newton of grip compared to Pirelli 3,154 Newtons, a clear difference of 173 Newtons. In snow handling, Michelin maintains its lead with an average speed of 56.1 km per hour, just 0.7 km per hour faster than Pirelli's speed of 55.4 km per hour. When it comes to dry conditions, both tires are nearly identical in dry braking, with Pirelli stopping just 0.1 meters shorter than Michelin. However, in dry handling, Michelin pulls ahead again, achieving a lap speed of 94.6 km per hour compared to Pirelli's 93.9 km per hour, giving it a slight 0.7 km per hour advantage. In terms of exterior noise, Michelin is 1.2 decibels quieter than Pirelli. On the other hand, Pirelli takes the lead in rolling resistance, making it more fuel efficient. It offers a lower rolling resistance coefficient value of 7.63 compared to Michelin coefficient value of 8.39, a difference of 0.76, which can contribute to better fuel economy over time. In summary, the Pirelli Scorpion Winter 2 excels in wet braking and rolling resistance. Meanwhile, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 SUV excels in snow, wet, and dry handling. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.